All right, we have a gorgeous view of that moon rising over the skies of the FM area and beyond. We'll check in on different spots here as we go through the broadcast. But a first alert weather day for Friday for the beginning of a heat wave that'll last several days and could extend into even late next week and the weekend. Here's a look at the heat indices. That's the feels like temperature beginning on Friday. Triple digit heat feels like readings in the FM area. And that's dangerous because it is a hard and difficult thing for the body to maintain a temperature of 98.6 degrees when it's that hot. So here's what you can do to beat the heat and keep cooler. Number one, drink plenty of water. You need that to sweat. That's the body's mechanism for staying cool. Light, loose fitting clothes work the goodest, and will avoid overexertion in peak heating hours. So if you can, just get out of the sun during the hot part of the day in the mid to late afternoon hours. Shade, a cool shower can cool your body off. A fan with wet skin can help. AC, obviously. And you know, if you start noticing some of those symptoms we've been talking about today of heat exhaustion or even heat stroke, ice bath is something that you can do to cool that body off. Do not leave pets or kids in the car, and here's why. At 90 degrees, which is our forecast temperature on the low end for the better part of this event, in only 30 minutes, the car temperature inside can be 124 degrees. So please be cautious there. Here's another look at that rising moon from Fargo out at Hector right now. We have a temperature that is 74 degrees, very comfortable. A wind south-southeast, dew points comfortable and in the 50s. Showers and thunderstorms with a huge thunderstorm warning now covering a large chunk of eastern Montana, including that Fort Peck Reservoir area. For us, we're very quiet. 60s in central Minnesota and low to mid 70s here in eastern North Dakota. Here's dew point temperatures, and they're in the 50s now. That's average for this time of the year, so it doesn't feel overly sticky, but the 60s are on their way back, and even some 70s will be possible. Here's your hour-by-hour forecast. As we take a look at the planner into the overnight hours, we dip into the 60s, and some high clouds will begin punching in from the west. So your chance at seeing that full moon, the full buck moon, will possibly be limited a little bit as we head towards morning. South winds already cooking in the morning, 15 miles per hour or so, 60s to start your day on Thursday. Then, look at this, hit and miss thunderstorms. We'll have quiet morning conditions, but then afternoon, thunderstorms could be hit and miss. There is a small chance that we could have one or two or a few severe storms. Hail will be the main threat, but we'll keep you posted. Not all of us will see it. It's going to be pretty sparse in nature. As we go through the evening, it quickly deteriorates. So we have a marginal risk. That's a level 1 out of 5. 1, 2, or a few thunderstorms will be possibly severe. We'll keep our eyes on that. Here was last night's moon. This is from the Fergus area there at Hillcrest. Ryan, thanks for uploading your photo. Planning forecast, first alert weather day for Friday for the onset or beginning of our stretch of hot weather. Heat wave 90 on Saturday. Isolated storms can't be ruled out. Sunday it looks just hot and sweltering into the early half of next week. Maybe a break on Wednesday, but it looks like we could be right back in the sauna afterwards as we take another look from our view of the skies. And we are looking at here. Oh yeah, Grand Forks says it's peeking up through the trees. So it's high in the sky here in the FM area. Grand Forks, home of Economy Camera, showing a beautiful scene out there. Get out, snap some photos. We'd love to share them with you here and on the Valley today.
That's just huge, isn't it?
It is.
Yeah, those pictures are always great. Yeah. Thanks, Hutch.
You bet.
Next.